Hello everyone, my name is Alpon Hasudungan and I am part of member Senior High School District Tangerang number 4. Today I have a new debate topic for is that climate mitigation is more important than reduction emission? Then I am the opposition one. So I disagree with this. Okay, why I disagree? For the first point, the opposition say that technology is still unready for developed country. For example, if you are a developed country, the technology is still unready for climate mitigation. First of all, I want to say, if you are now living in the developed country, you can ask to the rich country to help you. For example, here, if you're a poor country like Indonesia, you can ask Singapore or Japan to help you. Because if you're a poor country, you don't still have any technology for this problem. But you can ask to another country to ask help, and then the other country will help you. Because why? Because this is problem for the global, not only for your country here. As you know, if this problem not solved, the impact is to the all global, not only for your country. That's why if you're living in the poor country, I don't agree if you focus on climate mitigation. You should focus by reducing emission. Although you are a poor country, because you can act, as I told before, if you don't see this problem, it would be danger for global. That's for the first one. The second one, how do you apply climate mitigation without reducing emission? Well, this is really problem here. You told me, or the opposition say, the pro say that you should climate mitigation is more important than reducing emission. This is a problem because reducing emission is the part of climate. For example, here, for example, if you're like a poor country, I told before, for example, you can do simple thing. When you are junior high school, you learn about the gas emission. You can reduce them from using motorcycle, become using bicycle. From using a motorcycle, become bus or anything else. From little thing, not always about technology. Why you always think about technology? If you want to stop global warming, you should use technology. This is what do I say? This is logical. This is a problem. I think it's a problem because not always using technology here. You don't need to always use technology. Just a little thing. You can change your habit here. Just change from your using motorcycle, become using ride, bicycle. We change from motorcycle, become using bus or anything. Do not always use technology here. So from basic thing that you have learned in junior high school, junior school, you can apply it here. You can apply it. And then the third one, there is no reason for waiting global warming. Like I told before, you can do by little thing, not always technology. And then don't always see for technology. For example, here I am living in the poor country, and then you told me if you want to stop like global warming, you should have a technology. That's a mistake. Why? Because you don't have any reason to wait. You don't have any reason to wait this global warming. Why you have to wait this? I mean, why you should wait? Okay, I should wait for the technology, and then I can, I can reduce emission. I can stop global warming, but I have to wait this technology first. I have to wait my developed country become a rich country. This is a mistake because you're waiting. I told you there is no reason for waiting. There's no reason for you waiting. For waiting global warming, you can be your reason. My country is still poor. I still wait for technology. This is a mistake because you're waiting. That's the third one. And then after that, I told you before that climate mitigation is the part of reducing emission. So it's a problem when you only focus for climate mitigation without focus on reducing reducing emission. So that's all my opinion. I want to tell you first of all, in my conclusion, first of all, you don't have to wait. Like I tell you, you don't have to wait your country become rich. That's first. And then the second one, you don't have any reason to this global warming. Yes, because if you're waiting reducing emission, the problem become global warming. That's the second. And then the third one, you can ask to the other country for help. Like I told you before, the other country will help you. Why? Because this is for global. Everyone will have global warming. If you don't have applied for this, if you notice, when we have a little something, when we have a little habit to this global warming, for example, you change your habit from using motorcycle become bike, and then from motorcycle become bus. And that's true. The effect is not seen right now. You cannot see the effect right now, but for 10 or 20 years, it would be seen by you because the effect cannot see right now. That's all my opinion. As you know, I told you there's no reason for waiting this global warming. You should do it now because this is global warming. It's very dangerous and very warning for you. That's all my opinion. Thank you, Alpon here.